Let me show you how to fix the Instagram story mention not working. Now, if you're trying to mention someone on the story that you just posted, the normal method is you just tap on the more option. And if you tap on the add mentions option, you can see all of the people and you can also search for their names. Now, if this step is not working out for you and you're not being able to mention people, the first thing that you can do is try to hop out of the app of Instagram and then tap and hold the app. Once you're here, head over to app info, and inside of this setting you'll see the option called clear data. Once you do this, you'll tap on the clear all data option. Now what this does is you'll get logged out of your Instagram account, so you need to again add in your credentials so that you can log in back. If you're using an iOS device, you can head over to the iPhone storage and then offload your application. Once the first step is complete, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue is still there, the second thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and then again reinstall. So just tap and hold the app and make sure that you uninstall it. Also, you can try rebooting your phone and then try to download the app of Instagram onto your device. By doing these couple simple steps, you should be now able to fix the Instagram story mention not working. If this video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.